Little doggies. Come on, come lick your little toesies. Yeah. Oh, look at that. You are too funny. Oh. Oh. Aw, that's so cute. Does he like the cats?
The dog's more.
Oh.
Once in a while he likes
He's going to be a dog man, huh? Oh, he wants to get to him, doesn't he? Does he like to
Yeah,
pet
touch him.
Okay, come here, Sierra. Come here. Come here. Sierra. Come over here. Give him a kiss on the face.
Oh, that's enough.
How about the toes? How about the toes? The toes are better, huh? The toes are better.
It's just like he wants to get down there with him.
Uh-huh. Are you a happy baby? Are you a happy baby?
Have you taken him in the pool?
No, it's too cold.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, my.
That's enough, Big Choco.
He's getting ready for do the feet. Do the feet. Do the feet. Oh, my God, he's giving him a bath. He's giving him a bath.
That's enough, Choco.
Too funny.
You're not getting mean with him.
Yes, I am. I can't help it.
What's Choco doing?
Not a lot of you, Chris.
Okay. Oh, he's really licking. You're getting me all wet.